Hi guys, Richmond here. Welcome back to Gadget Sidekick. And today we are all excited for all the flagship that are going to launch this 2020. So one of them being the Huawei P40 series, and it's gonna be an awesome flagship. But before all that, people are asking me, hey, isn't Huawei going to put back Google Play or GMS, Google Mobile Services? Well, sad to say, maybe not. Okay, so in the future, Huawei devices, I believe that it's going to launch without the GMS. So before the flagship P40 series launches this year, I'd like to give you some quick refresher on how to maximize your Huawei flagship phone without the GMS. One of the first place I would look for my apps is definitely the Huawei App Gallery. So Huawei has invested a lot of money in order to give you tons of apps inside this gallery. So this is probably one of the replacement of the Google Play Store, wherein just a single click you can download all the apps that you need. So let's take, for example, Gcash. Just hit the search icon. There. Okay, you can install it. Simple as that off the bat. Okay, you can see it's installing. So you can open the app. After it's installed, just give it the permission that it needs. There you go. You can log in to your Gcash app. Okay, so don't forget to, of course, log in your Huawei account. And of course, there is somewhere you can search for the top apps for the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. You can see everything's here. PayMaya. Okay. So popular apps like WeChat, Share It. It's so easy. Lazada and PayMaya, BDO. So those are some of the more popular apps or the most searched apps on the Huawei App Gallery. You can just simply click on update or install and it'll do the trick for you. The second method that I'm going to teach you is by using the native browser of Huawei. So upon clicking it, you can see that there are several bookmarks up here. So one of the more popular ones, or well, better trusted third-party APK installer is APK Pure. So let's take, for example, we want to install Netflix. So let's just type in Netflix, Netflix. So, okay, so this one, install this Netflix. So download XAPK. Continue to download. But of course, to install APK, you'll need the APK installer. Okay, so how to install APK? You need to install APK Pure own app. Okay. Just download. So wait for it to load. So it's complete. Let's install APK Pure. Open. Okay, we just need to click the three dash, go to XAPK management and click install Netflix. Install. Okay, so most likely we have Netflix Shiny. Okay, so there are a lot of apps in there. For banking, you have BDO, coins.ph, PayMaya, Gcash. For online stores, we have Lazada, Shopback, Shopee, and of course, for some social media, we have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have Viber, Instagram, and a lot more. Okay, the third method that I'm going to teach you is by going to the website of the app that you want. If you can't find it on APK Pure, if you cannot find it on the App Gallery, of course, you can definitely go to facebook.com on your browser and they have it readily to download. So all you need to do is just click download, just follow the instruction, okay? Then, of course, just wait for it to finish, then we can install it immediately, okay? So download's complete, allow installation, just click install. There you go, your own Facebook APK. And of course, the rest is all yours to control, whether you want to create a new one or log into your old account. So how can we forget everybody's favorite YouTube app, Gmail? All you need to do is just click on your browser, log in on your YouTube account, mine being Gadget Sidekick, of course. Then, of course, you need to, this one is my Gmail. So all you need to do after you log in is click the three dot over there, add to home screen, and click this one, phone home screen, okay? So you can see I have my shortcut, my own Gmail shortcut, and that's just about it. Okay, it's that easy. There you go. Okay, so once I hit this one, it will just go inside my YouTube account. Definitely, no doubt about that. Okay, the final and last method that I'm going to share you is my own method. Okay, so all you need to do is, of course, remember your username and password for your Huawei account. Go to support app and there go to the forum. Okay, this is the Huawei community forum wherein you can find a lot of helpful tips and tricks for your Mate 30, how to maximize your Mate 30 Pro, how to do some good photography. But for this one, I have uploaded all the essential apps into the forum. Of course, under my own account, Mitch002, which I'm going to post a link down below. All you need to do is just download the zip file that I'm going to give you. Then of course, then you go to this file manager. Then go to APK archives. Okay, so it will download one big archive wherein all the essential app that most likely you'll be using is here. So Angkas, BDO, BPI, coins.ph, Facebook Messenger, Facebook app, Grab, Instagram, Klook, Lalamove, Lazada, Metrobank, Netflix, Paymaya, ShareIt, Shopback, Shopee, Twitter, Viber, Waze, and of course, WhatsApp. Okay, so let's just try just one. All you need to do is just click. Okay, but of course, if you want to download this, just remember to use Wi-Fi. Don't use your mobile data. This is roughly 800 MB worth of storage data that will be consumed. Therefore, I suggest you download it from over the Wi-Fi. Don't use mobile data. Okay, so you can see it's already installed. It's so easy. It's just all you need to do is just download and install, and that's it. You can see your Facebook is already here. Okay, so that's for the fifth method. So I have run down almost every single method that you can use just to download those favorite APK of yours here on your favorite Huawei flagship phone, mine being the Mate 30 Pro. Of course, in preparation for the P40 series. So let me give you a rundown. One being the Huawei App Gallery, two, the browser. Then you can point it to APK Pure being one of the more reliable third-party APK installers. Three, the own native website of the app that you want, like Facebook, Netflix, you can download it on their own website. Fourth, make a shortcut like YouTube and Gmail that I've shown you. And fifth, being the Huawei community, I have placed every single important app there on a zip file. All you need to do is just download it, then unzip it on your phone and install whichever app that you want. It's so simple. Of course, who says that no GMS is being a headache? Of course not. And I hope you learned something here from a video on how to install your favorite apps on your Huawei flagship series. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my great contents here at Gadget Sidekick. And I'm Richmond, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye!